Once Newton was sitting under a tree. An apple fell on his head. He came to know about gravitational force.
I have two books. One is heavier, another is lighter. If I drop these both, which will come down to the earth first? Obviously, the heavier one. Now, I will show you when a heavier object drops down slower than a lighter object. One. One.
Strength of magnetic field of a single magnet ring is less, so it holds onto the iron rod for a short time and it can come down quickly. Magnetic field of three magnet rings is high, so it gets attracted more to the iron rod and it comes down slowly.